Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Easteva Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about Morpheus 8, what is its benefit, what is the cost involved, and how long does the result last. So Morpheus 8 is a combination of microneedling with radiofrequency. It helps by tightening the skin, by boosting collagen synthesis, and also by reducing scarring. So we are going to be using Morpheus 8 in any person who comes to us and says कि मुझे acne scars हैं या मेरे चेहरे पे कोई और scars हैं और मेरा skin का texture irregular है या if I have open pores, then yes, Morpheus 8 is a very good treatment for you. Also, Morpheus 8 can be selectively used to define the jawline by reducing fat from that area or by defining the cheekbones. So these are the other indications where the fat melting properties of Morpheus 8 can be used. The advantage of this procedure is that it has hardly any downtime. ये एक बहुत छोटा procedure है, तकरीबन 1 hour का clinic time में आपका ये procedure हो जाता है. There is no real downtime as such. You might have little bit of redness for 4 to 5 hours. You also might have tiny bumps in the skin which may last in some cases for about even 3 to 4 weeks. But again, most of this is just felt and not seen. So आपको हल्का सा bumpy texture feel हो सकता है skin पे, but usually ये visible नहीं होता है. Also, बहुत ज़्यादा extra skin care की need नहीं है after Morpheus 8. A sunscreen is all you need to protect your skin from the harsh sun. Otherwise, there is no special regime which the patient needs to follow. So, benefits क्या होते हैं इससे? You will get a rejuvenated skin. You will get a more defined jawline if need be. You'll also get tighter skin. So it's really good for somebody who's in, say, their 30s or early 40s and wants some kind of a boost to the skin. It's also useful in younger people, say in the age group of 20s, जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा skin को बस rejuvenation चाहिए. So essentially, because it works on the principle of boosting collagen synthesis and also causing skin tightening, the results can sustain themselves for about 1 to 1.5 years, after which you probably would require a few more sessions of Morpheus 8. The advantage is that it's not a very costly procedure and it can be taken all over the face. It is suited to a variety of indications. And as I said, the biggest advantage is that you really do not have to take a break from your work. Places where Morpheus 8 is not useful is if a person is, has got very sensitive skin, has a skin condition like eczema or urticaria, जहाँ पे skin sensitive होती है, then these are the patients जहाँ पे Morpheus 8 हम नहीं करना पसंद करते. Also, if you have had some kind of a skin treatment recently or are using some kind of specific products, say for pigmentation, then please inform your plastic surgeon prior to opting for this procedure. Again, after this procedure also, a certain specific time period needs to elapse before आप कोई और aggressive treatment अपने चेहरे पे कराएं. So if you're planning to get a laser hair removal done, or a hydrofacial done or some other treatment done for your skin, please wait for some time allow the skin to heal completely. Otherwise, it can lead to a sensitive skin or prolonged recovery times after Morpheus 8. However, this is not a useful procedure अगर आपको frank sagging है. So if you're in your late 40s or early 50s and you want skin tightness, अगर excessive skin है, laxity है, then Morpheus 8 is not going to be the only treatment which is going to give you great results. This is then going to require something like maybe threads or say in some cases facelift surgery so that the tightness of the skin is restored. So I hope this video has answered your questions about Morpheus 8, and if you have any further queries regarding this treatment, please feel free to reach out to us.